So like I said in my earlier video that I was going to go ahead and case up the laptop voltage supply, and it really is, it's not a power supply, it's a voltage supply because you can only vary the voltage anyway. So I did desolder the pot off that board, replaced it with a big one. This is probably not quite the right size. It's a little difficult to do fine tuning on it, particularly in the low range. Anyway, that's the Dell laptop power supply, and as you can see, it's fairly stable. It only reads out to the 1 decimal. The meter, does too, but again, it's a little hard to adjust. But like I said, it's doable. That's really all I wanted to demonstrate. Soldering the diagram, I'm not even going to give it to you because you can figure it out yourself. If you need a voltage supply, you'll know how to do it. But the big trick again was desoldering this little pot off the buck converter and then resoldering it. That was, like I said, a little bit more difficult than I expected. But I'm going to go ahead and put this on my site.